Good morning, students of class Earth. Now, today we are going to finish chapter number 10 of history. There are two more topics, the Rowlatt Act and the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So, the Rowlatt Act, the Government of India Act failed to satisfy the demand of Indians. Large scale protest meetings were held all over the country. In 1919, the Rowlatt Act was passed under which the government could arrest anyone without a warrant and imprison him without a trial. The government resorted to lathi charge and even firing to stop the agitations. A countrywide protest was organized on 6th April 1919, which was observed as the National Humiliation Day. Means the British government passed an act that is known as Rowlatt Act in 1919. According to that act, the government had the power to arrest anyone without any warrant, without notice the cause that why arrest he would be arrested. Thereafter, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919. Massacre means Hatyakand. On April 13, 1919, many Indians gathered in Jallianwala Bagh near the Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab. They wanted a peaceful protest against the arrest of two national leaders, Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlew. General Dyer, the military commander of Amritsar, surrounded the bog with his troops and blocked the only exit and ordered his soldiers to open fire at the innocent people. The firing lasted for 10 minutes till all the ammunition was exhausted. Thousands of men, women, and children were killed in that massacre. General Dyer proudly declared that he had done it to produce a moral effect on the people, and he would have shot all the people if they had continued the meeting. All national leaders condemned this cowardly act. On 15th April, martial law was proclaimed in Punjab and government resorted the government resorted to inhuman cruelties to stop the rising protest. On hearing this news, Gandhiji declared that he had lost all faith in goodness of the British government and launched non-cooperation movement. So, there are thousands of men, women and children were killed by General Dyer. Their guilt was only that they protest against the arrest of two Indian leaders, Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlew. That's why they protested peacefully in Jallianwala Bagh. But General Dyer did not like it and fired till his animations was not lost yet. Thank you.